Okay, hair dye, hair dye, hair dye, hair dye, hair dye, hair dye. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Maybe they have it at Lala's.
This is actually such a big deal, babe.
Hairstyling.
Thinking this one. Didn't you pick that one?
I did this one on my video.
Regular black.
Yeah, we don't have to get black.
I'm just scared, like, this is not dark enough.
So we're doing full black then?
Am I gonna sweat black?
Not after a couple days. After you wash it out, it'll be okay.
Oh, okay. Like, actually stay black.
Yeah.
Really? I've never done my hair black before.
Okay, well, tonight we'll find out.
Fine. Okay, great.
I'm a hairstylist. Do you have a lot of pressure on you right now?
I was like, guys, I'm gonna dye my hair this weekend. And then
I was just like, I'll do it.
I'm dead.
I'm excited.
I'm really nervous. I didn't think it would happen this soon. Like, I was really like scheduling it for the weekend. I really was. This is more fun, I guess.
Let's take these towels off.
You look like my mom. Those are like mine. Like, look, your brand deal is like in the back.
Not sponsored. Okay, I'm gonna start my video. Okay, ready? Hey, it's Faye.
What am I supposed to do when you start a video?
Be yourself. Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest.
Wait, I'm sorry. This is like a slight change. One more time.
Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, it's Eddie and I am on Faye's channel. Hello.
Oh, you already know me. I don't need an introduction.
Please keep that in.
We're gonna do something very special. As the expertise I am, I'm a hairstylist. We were just randomly at home day, and the Eddie was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna change my hair color this week.
Yeah, which is such a big deal.
And then I was like, oh my god, let me do it. I'll do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Can I sit in the bathtub while you're doing that?
If you're not germaphobe.
I mean, like, what do you do in here?
Ew!
Girl, if you shit in here and I'm just like, I don't know.
Sorry, exposed. What time is it?
It's like 1 a.m.
We went to Lala's. I remember what I was gonna say.
We didn't do black pink because my hair is already red at the tips. The darkest option was like a light brown, which is like not what we want to do. We don't want to do.
Because we know how that went. Yeah, and the funny thing is that like I'm ending your brand.
Basically, I've had red hair for the longest time, and everyone likes like I see red hair, I click, and it's gonna be like I don't have red hair. You're still gonna click.
Wait, you need to put this on you.
Okay. We want to be like really official.
Wait, can you read the title of it?
It's called Cool Black. It's actually Japanese brand. I could read hiragana, but I can't read katakana. We're out of luck. Great.
Did you take Japanese?
In high school, I failed.
Like actually failed?
Like I failed it. I was like, I can't do this anymore. But you did 4 years, and you can't read katakana.
No. Those are yoroshiku. Go on. Okay, so since Eddie's just sitting here, let's do a little Q&A on him. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, I pretty much started cover dancing because of KCON. Yeah,
Really?
yeah, I started at KCON. And then other people were like, oh my god, where's this channel? But like, I didn't have one. So I made one because of KCON. Yeah. Why are you like laughing?
Nothing.
And then I literally randomly did like a survival program. Like, it was
Right. Okay, how did you get into that?
I was teaching. I'm a teacher. I teach K-pop at home.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so when I was
you had
living,
classes and stuff?
yeah, when I was living in LA, I was teaching K-pop dance. Yeah, and so then there was an event that needed a K-pop teacher. And so I went to the event, and the person hosting the event was like, I'm helping them cast for this program. I auditioned for it. Literally like a week later, like I got in.
You sharp?
No, but I remember like when I got the email, I was literally quaking. My mom's gonna hate it.
Does your mom hate it?
Oh my god, she was like ready. She was like, get out. She's like, yeah, she was like, get out. So it turned out well. It's weird because like I wasn't in it that long, but I still was. Because it was like 14 episodes. I was in like 9 episodes.
9 to most of them.
Right.
I heard you made the show more popular though because our video went viral.
So my first performance, which was like where I did a girl group mix. I think everyone was looking a little bit shook. It's a guy survival program to do like a guy group, but I'm like dancing to Kiana in front of Soji and like doing EXID. I think she's like the sole reason I placed first. She like 100% made it happen. After you perform, they like have to score you 1 to 100.
Right.
Inhale from performance team, rap team, which is dynamic duo, and then there was like the vocal team, which was Crush and Soji. Right.
Crush? What?
And the average points with the side you're placing. Like I just saw her the whole time, just like.
Really?
She was like number one. So I placed first in dance team.
I ordered slippers for us.
Thank you.
Imagine I wasn't recording this whole time.
We had fun.
Did you get to interact with Soji?
Right. I did up and down.
Oh,
She's like, oh, you need to teach me how to dance. I was like, please.
Okay, but like pause. We're like going in. Cutting my head and I need to be like on brand.
I will catch you if you fall.
Now it's time to die.
I feel like I'm
To be honest, you're sweet.
I'm mentally prepared for this.
What if you turn out like yellow?
Like the only thing I did plan to do it this weekend. It's like I'm just doing it a few days earlier, so I'm not too traumatized about it. After that final performance that I did, it was my final performance.
Right.
I wasn't out yet, but it was just like the final one I did. I met up the staff like knew I liked her a lot. Like they knew I loved girl groups. I was in really good terms with one of the vocal staff. And so she was like, can I meet you? And she like agreed to it. And then we took a selfie together.
Why
Not that many
is
posts.
black?
Is it not black? I'm scared. What is it?
Oh my god.
Yeah, we did it hard because she was doing promotions for I Love You at the time. And then I learned her choreography and she's like, please don't upload it.
Really?
She's like, it's gonna look better than ours. And I'm gonna be dead honest this.
And then what about Crush?
I met Crush a few times. He speaks English pretty well. But I never one-on-one interacted with him.
Kai, any questions?
Do you think you would be where you are today if you wouldn't have like that survival program?
I mean, I was doing fine, to be honest. Like, I wasn't like looking to be in a survival program. It just kind of came to me.
Like getting in the work.
So like, I think,
I believe.
I believe.
Can you roll my sleeve up, please? Pull it up. You just pull it.
I like pulling out. Okay.
I went to a big hit audition.
Yeah, I saw that.
Big hit audition?
Yeah, I went.
I had no idea.
And then I said in the video like, oh, this is my last audition, like my last K-pop audition.
Really?
It was a guys only audition. But then like randomly right after, like this came to me. A week later they were like, oh, like can you like come to Korea?
And now you're living here. Since you've been here, has there been any relationship update?
Like surprisingly not. I don't really look. I'm not an approacher.
Oh my gosh, Eddie is so shy.
Yeah, I don't
Oh my
approach.
god, yes. Eddie is like that bitch, but also like
I'm not.
Okay, new tea.
Yeah, why do you have so many questions ready? Like, this was so last
Honestly,
minute.
I know.
You're so good. You're really
I'm
good
good
at
at
YouTuber.
this. I'm a great YouTuber. Thank you so much. I've been approved. Have you gotten a lot of like,
money.
I don't know, because you're a foreigner in Korea, do you get like a lot of like judgment, you feel like?
Like I was saying how like I don't really go out that much. I only am like in certain areas and I don't really like to go out. So I feel like I'm living in Korea, but I'm like not living in Korea. I've met a lot of good people though. I've never faced anything like dramatic. I mean, I went to a Gongcha.
Bubble tea?
It was like the most traumatizing experience I've had. I didn't know how to say the name of the tea. It was like deep foam vanilla tea or something. Or milk foam, I still don't remember. I would like a deep foam. She's like, no, that's like not it. And I'm like, is it milk foam, deep tea? Then Matthew was there. He told her the right one. And she's like, oh, this is what you meant. She wasn't being aggressive. She just like literally, she's like, that's not it. Which
Oh
is
my
the
god,
thing.
your hair is turning dark.
I'm like,
actually excited.
I'm kind of like freaking out. I noticed like a lot of Koreans are like scared to speak English.
Oh my god, D.
They
Kind of
think
like how we're scared.
yeah, Korean, but it's like same for everyone, I think. You know what I mean? Like if you just say like a syllable off, they don't know what it is. So, like if it's an English one and it's like Starbucks or something.
Oh,
As an example.
Like
It's horrible.
ice,
ice Americano. But you said ice Americano. They don't know what ice Americano is.
That happened to me though.
Yeah, I haven't had natural hair color.
For a while.
Like I can't even think of what. Like since high school, junior year. Like
You left a streak.
when you first met me, I
You
literally.
touched my butt.
I'm like.
I think it was orange.
It was orange or blonde?
Yeah.
Why?
Because orange and red is like my favorite. Every time I see someone with red hair, I'm like,
I want that. Red is you, honestly.
Yes.
Look at this, guys. Oh my god. You're gonna feel it heat up a little.
I literally bleached my hair like 3 times in one day.
Oh my
It's like
God.
nothing.
Should we like clean up his forehead? This one like
Oh yeah, it's gonna spit much. Thank you, Kai. I met Kai like the first, like when he came.
Oh my god, let's do first impressions, please. I love first impressions.
Okay, this is
Wait,
literally-
wait, let's pull out.
Oh
Oh my god. Wait.
I mean, I guess.
I'm gonna look like normal though. I should get green contacts.
It's time. It's been like what, 45 minutes?
We were like an hour. We
We were just, like,
passed. We were just talking.
I feel like Andrew from like
Girls'
Shane
night.
Dawson's like thingy channel.
Cue the
I can't do that anymore.
girls' night.
Yikes.
Anyways, am I gonna? Oh wait, hold on.
Oh, your face. That was like so cute. You're like, I'm just gonna turn this on. You're like, let me just turn this on. I look like
Is this too hot?
You look like
praying for my sins.
you look like you have a really like hard weed.
Wait, is it hot?
No, I'm joking.
Oh my god, look guys.
Oh my god. It's not even getting in my face.
Sorry about what's on you, like literally in the house.
I'm literally being harassed.
Have you ever felt what's on you?
No.
Okay, well, here's your first.
Yeah, you know. I want no boobs.
Can you hold this real quick?
Don't they have like a conditioner from the thingy?
No, like this is actually what they use in the salon, the Olaplex. Conditioner Olaplex. So, oh my back hurts.
My neck.
My neck.
Bad, bad, I'm sorry, I'm bad. I'm just the way I am. 나 지금 시간 스키나 커버. 하고 싶으니 기가 봐봐. My life, life. 내 맘대로 살 거야. 말하지 마. You gotta just copyright that. To be honest, I feel like he's gonna look
Like,
calm.
how hard can it be to mess up black hair?
I dyed my hair black once in Greece and it came out purple.
I look like I just threw up. No, I just stepped on the cap.
It's fine, it's fine. 1, 2, 3.
I don't know who I am.
That looks so fucking cool.
Oh my god.
I like don't know who I am.
That looks so cool.
Don't know who I am.
You kind of look like fetus, but like so good.
Like who?
A fetus.
They said Felix. I was like, I was like, oh, don't screw it.
Okay, so I ended up falling asleep after this while Kai and Eddie engulfed McDonald's at 4 a.m. Cannot relate. I mean, I would, but like, I'm positive by now you guys have seen Eddie's black hair because he's slaying, so make way and scoot aside to the benches. It's like he had rebirth out of my finger's womb since my hand did most of the damage. Regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed the transformation and saw how Eddie emerged from a red bad girl to an emo bad bets. Okay, that's enough. Bye. See you. My back hurts.